So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. And now you're going to find network and internet. Click on run. If it detects anything, it's going to fix it for you. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on advanced options. Now you're going to turn this on. Receive updates for Microsoft products. Turn this on. Now you're going to go back to Windows Updates. And then you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to the link in the description to download the Microsoft.NET Framework Repair Tool. Now once you're here, you're going to scroll down, select your language, and then click on download. Now we're going to click on this, and then click on yes. You're going to tick this, and then click on next. And then click on next again. And then click on finish. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to the second link, which is going to be down below, to download the DirectX User Runtime Web Installer. Scroll down, choose your language, and then click on download. And then click on this, and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on I accept the agreement, and then click on next. You can untick this, and then click on next again. Wait for this to load. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on next. Wait for this to load. And now it should be fully installed and ready to use. So now you're going to click on finish, and then you should be good to go.